All right, everyone. So I'll do a couple things today. First thing I want to do is show everyone how to adjust the rear suspension on these lowrider S's to suit your body weight, and also if you are going to be riding with passengers or adding other stuff to it, so you get the best ride possible. So I'm going to get everything set up right here, and we'll pull the seat off, and we will show y'all how to adjust that to get the right ride. And I'll also throw in a couple settings out of the owner's manual for everyone. If y'all hold on just a minute, we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so if everyone will look right here, if you look at this is a suspension preload table for the Lowrider S, the FX LRS. Right here is your weight in pounds and kilograms, and what you should run it in. So an example would be, if you're a 200-pound rider, you would leave it set to 0, and then every additional poundage that you add to it, you would come down here and look and see how you're going to set it up. So for my weight and what I'm going to be carrying, I am going to set this up, and I'm going to run it into it is a set about a 1.5 based on my weight and what I'm going to be carrying. So I'm going to get everything set up over here, set the tripod up, get my tools out, and we'll go ahead and show y'all how to start with that. Again, there's another shot of the bike. So we're back. So tools that we'll be using is just a little 8mm socket and ratchet. They make a spanner nut wrench for some of the models that has this size on it, but right now I believe these are the two only tools we'll need, is that and this Phillips head screwdriver. So we're going to go ahead and remove the seat. Move that, we'll set that down, and we'll go ahead and pop the seat off. So as you're seeing, this is the new style shock for this bike, and it's hydraulically controlled. So you got rings right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you look, you look back in the video, so if a 5 setting, you would run this all the way in. So right now I'm just going to run it in about 1.5, and we'll go ahead and do that. So I should leave about 3.5 to 4 of these rings out for my body weight and what we'll all be carrying on the bike. So I'm at 1 right there. I'm just going to take it a little bit more. So there it is, done at about 1.5. So now really the only thing left to do is to put your seat back on. If you look, it's just got this little piece right here. It slides up under here. For those that don't already know, you kind of push it forward like that, but there. Put your screw back in, and you're pretty much done. That's really the way that you adjust that seat, and I hope that helps everyone, and if y'all would please like and subscribe, and y'all have a blessed day. Thanks.